Okay, my eyes quit making, and I've done this a couple, maybe 3 times over the last 10 or 11 years, so I know how to do it, kind of. But since other people don't, I was just going to show you how simple it is. It's just literally held in place by 3 screws. These kind of little guys, right? So you get this kind of little guy, right? And you just unscrew it back here. And there's one, the hardest one to get to is back here where I can't see it. So I have to use the camera. You do not have to remove those 2 screws. You remove the little bottom dude, but you don't have to, oh God, my fingernails are dirty. Okay, you do not have to do these because these are like, you hang the thing on there and then click it down. So I'm going to unplug this. My this flatbread leaning up. This is what I'm leaning the camera on. It works perfectly. Look at this. It's perfect. One-handed pirate. So I looked here and I saw that there was black on the bottom of this grouping. And so I took the black and plugged it in there. Now I've got to play around and see where it goes in the top. Yeah, okay, one-handed. Yeah, click. That's the sound of music to my ears. Then we come back here and kind of smush that in there. Kind of smush it. My technical expertise is a little bit lacking, right? Then I come and hang this bad boy. I'll stick my old big dumb head in here. There we go. Slide it down. Guys, I think that's it. Screw it in place. And that last little screw. This is like, I think it's a $35 deal. Okay, the thing is in. You have to make sure this little guy's in its little hole back there, otherwise it won't catch up here to turn it on or off. Now we're going to give it a try. This little guy over here will dictate how large the cubes are. So I don't want to turn it clockwise because that makes them smaller.